Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.